Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make these roses. I use one of them for this dress and you can use them anywhere you want, and it's so easy to make, and I will show you 3 different ways to make it, 3 different shape actually. I hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will use yarn art jeans and 4mm crochet hook. You can use any cotton yarn. I think it looks good with cotton, but you can try wool too. If I could find the yarns. You can start with any numbers of chains. It's not too important. I will start with 47 chains. That's 47. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 into that 5th chain. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops. I made a double crochet, and that's a V. 3 chains for a double crochet, 1 chain for separate them. Don't make any chains. Skip 2 into the 3rd one. Make a double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet into same stitch. Skip 2 into the 3rd one. Make a double, chain 1 and a double. Skip 2, make a double, chain 1, double. Just keep going like that and make V stitches. I complete all the V's, and I have 15 of them, and divided 3 parts. It's 5, 5 and 5. It's not too important. Again, I will just make half double crochets, double crochets and double and a half, I can call it like that. Crochets, petals, as you see here, that's half double crochet, that's double crochet, and that's double and a half crochet. So chain 1, turn, insert into that V stitch, make a single crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn. It's like a double crochet, but first yarn over and pull it through only first loop. Yarn over and pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through last 2 loops. One more time. 1, 2, 3. I will make 6 of them. 4, 5, 6. When you complete all of them, chain 2 and single crochet into same stitch. Yeah, that's our first petal. Skip here and into this next V. Insert your hook and make a single crochet, chain 2 and make 6 double and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the end, chain 2 and insert here and make a single crochet. Skip here into the next V, make a single, chain 2 and make the same thing 3 more times. Totally it will be 5 of them. Complete them and I'll see you. I complete 5 petals. Into next V, make a single crochet, chain 1, make double crochets, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet, chain 1 into same V, make a single crochet. Into the next one, make a single crochet, chain 1, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 1, make a single crochet. Make 3 more and I'll see you. I totally have 10 petals now and insert into the next one, make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert into this V, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull it through all the loops. Now there's a half double crochet. We will make 6 half double crochet here. When you complete all of them, just make a single crochet into same space. Into the next one, make a single and 6 half double. And complete the last 3. I made my 6 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. If you want to make it like that without picots, you can stop here and here at this one I made a picot for 1 petal, and for this one I didn't make any picot and I didn't make. You can make it like that if you want. Now for this one I will make picot for all the petals, and that's shape 1, 2 and 3. You can choose one of them. Chain 1, turn, insert into first stitch, wrap the yarn, make a slip stitch. Into the next one, make a single crochet, 2, 3. We will make a picot here, chain 1 or 2, if you want you can make with 2 chain. Insert my hook into here and here, wrap the yarn and pull it through. One, 2, 3 single crochet. here we have two single crochet. We will make slip stitches here. That's the first one and second one. And here we have 6 half double crochet. We will make single crochets. 1, 2, 3. I will make a picot here. And 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. I made 5 half double crochet, I think, here. It's not too important. I will make 2 slip stitches here and 1, 2, 3 single crochet, a picot, 1. Just keep making like that and finish 5 of them. When you reach here, wait for me. I complete first 5. Actually, I will make the same thing here. Make 2 slip stitch, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, picot. Again, make 3 single crochet, 2 slip stitch. That's first and second. Make this 5 with the same method. When you complete 10 petals, make 1, 2 slip stitches. This time we will put 1 single crochet into that 2 chain space here. 1 single crochet here and 2, 3, 4 and make a picot. 1, 2, 3 and here this 2 chain space, make 1 more, 4, 2 slip stitch, 1, 2. I'll show you one more time. Single crochet here, 2, 3, 4, chain 1 and a picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 slip stitches. Finish this row like that. I'm at the end. I will make 1 more single crochet here, and into that single crochet I will make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. Now hold this half crochet side and wrap it like that. And that's our rose. We will sew it. Take a yarn needle and same color yarn. Starting from here, I will wrap it around and sew it. And at the end, take this yarn. That's our first or last, we can call it last petal. We'll sew it, or else it will look bad. And if you don't like any place, like I don't like here now, you can make a little touch. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, and now you can find me on Pinterest too. It's Sirin's Crochet again. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.